Sun salutation through the posture saluting sun is called sun salutation. Step number 1, Namaskar Asana or Pranayam pose. In this asana, stand erect with the both feet together, join the palms together in front of the chest in a Namaskar mudra. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. Your breath normal. Slowly inhale and exhale. Control your body, relax. Step 2, back bend pose. For this pose, inhale slowly. Raise your both arms above the head and slightly bend your trunk backward. Remain in this posture for a few seconds and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step 3, forward bend. In this posture, exhale slowly, bend forward from the waist, keeping the arms by the side of the ears. Try to touch your palms with the floor on the both sides of the feet and try to touch your forehead with the knee. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. Step 4, left leg stretching. In this posture, extend the right leg behind as far as possible. Bend the left knee and keep the left foot on the ground between the palms. Remain in the posture. Step 5, down dog stretching. Exhaling. Bring the left leg back to join with the right leg. Simultaneously raise the buttocks and lower the head between the arms so that the body forms a triangle with the floor. Try to place the heels flat on the ground. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. Step 6, 8-point touch pose. For this asana, gently lower knees, chest and chin to the ground with a normal breathing. Toes, knees, chest and chin should touch to the floor. The buttocks are kept up. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. Step 7, Cobra pose. For this asana, lower the hips while pushing the chest forward and raise the trunk upward until the spine is fully arched and the head is facing up the legs and lower abdomen remain on the floor. Inhale while raising the torso. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. Step 8, right leg stretch. For this asana, inhale slowly, extend the left leg behind as far as possible, bend the right knee and keep the right foot on the ground between the palms. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step 9, mountain pose. For this asana, take out your right leg behind, both legs together, keep up your buttocks, maintain this posture for a few seconds. Step 10, forward bend. Come back again with your both feet, bend forward, touch with your both palms on the floor. Remain in this posture for a few seconds. Step 11, backward bend. Stand up and bend backward from your waist. Maintain this posture for a few seconds. Backward bend. Step 12, Namaskar Asana or final pose.